Hey everybody, I just wanted to do this quick recording to show you I got the invites for Seesaw and this is what's happening. So I click on action required. There's two invites. There's the one that initially and then the admin person from Seesaw that sent me this one at 9:03 last night. So I'm going to click join school. And waiting. And then I am going to go down and click I'm a Seesaw School Administrator, and it's not doing anything. I'm waiting and it's not. So then I'll try I'm a teacher and it's still not doing anything. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on. This is what happened yesterday afternoon when you sent me the invites too. So something's not working. So I wanted to show you what wasn't working and hopefully we'll get it figured out. Thanks, guys.